Hello guys, welcome to Learning with Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 81 to 85 from the Aqua Basic Tech 2016 questions. After this video, you will have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Basic Tech. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom. Question 81. The triangle shown above represents A. Scalene triangle, B. Equilateral triangle, C. Isosceles triangle, D. Right angled triangle. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we would analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, in looking at this triangle above, this sign shows that all of the sides are not equal. So, it is not an equilateral triangle. So, the option B is out of it. All of the sides not being equal is also not an isosceles triangle, because an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. And for an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. It's also not a right angle triangle because it does not have an angle measured at 90 degrees. So our correct answer will be option A, scalene triangle. But before we look at our correct answer, I'm going to read us this explanation for better understanding and conviction. A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all three sides have different lengths. See, three of them, they have different lengths. They are not equal in size. So this actually is our correct answer. The next one, in geometry, an equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides have the same length. So if it's an equilateral triangle, just as the name implies, all of the three sides will be equal. Alright, the next one, in geometry, an isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two sides of equal length. So if it was an isosceles triangle, these two sides, or any of the two sides, will be of equal length. A right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle, that is a 90-degree angle. That's a right angle triangle. So our correct answer is the scalene triangle because all of the three sides are of different lengths. Let's check it out. Question 81, option A, scalene triangle is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 82, which of the following devices is used for lifting a car when replacing the tire? A, air compressor, B, hydraulic jack, C, vacuum pump, D, wheel spanner. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, our question is centered on lifting a car before the tire can be replaced. So, which one of these instruments is used for lifting the car? If you look at all of these options, you would agree with me that option B, hydraulic jack, just as the name implies, jack is used to jack the car. The common name for this instrument is called a jack. If you've been stopped on the road, you've had a flat tire before, the person driving the car might just tell you, go to the boot, get me the jack. So it is called a jack because it's used to jack the car or lift the car. So the original name is called hydraulic jack. So the hydraulic jack is what is used in lifting the car for the tire to be replaced. Let me show you an image of an hydraulic jack. So this is a hydraulic jack. This is the lever. When the lever is pressed downward, as it's pressed downward and returns upward, this large piston goes upward, lifting a side of the car for the tire to be changed. So this is what a hydraulic jack looks like. There are various types of hydraulic jacks or various shapes of hydraulic jacks, but this is a common hydraulic jack. Alright? So our correct answer will be option B, hydraulic jack. Let's look at the next question. Question 83. The following are building materials except A. Cement, B. Foundation, C. Gravel, D. Sand. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, which one of these is not a building material? Cement is a building material which is used in making block. Cement and sand we use in making block. We can use cement, sand, stones to make concrete. So cement is a building material. Foundation is not a building material. Rather, foundation is a part of a building. In essence, to be specific, the first part of a building. So without the foundation, a building cannot stand. So foundation is not a building material. Gravel as well is a building material. Likewise, sand is also a building material. So our correct answer will be option B, foundation. Let's check it out. Question 83, option B, foundation, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 84. Motion in engineering system consists mainly of A. Linear and reciprocating motions, B. Rotary and clockwise motions, C. Linear and rotary motion, D. Rotary and one-way motion. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, most of the options contain an answer to our question, but our question is saying motion in engineering system consists mainly. What are the major motions in engineering system? And if you agree with me, the major motion in engineering system is the linear motion and the rotary motion, which is also known as the straight line motion and the circular motion. So these two are the major motion in engineering system. It is not linear and reciprocating motions. It is not rotary and clockwise motions. It's not also rotary and one-way motion. But it is linear, which means straight line, and rotary motion, which means circular motion. So let's check it out. Correct answer to question 84, option C, linear and rotary motion. Let's look at the next question. Question 85. In third angle projection, the plan is usually placed A. Beside the side view, B. Below the elevation, C. Beside the elevation, D. Above the elevation. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to have an understanding of the question, then we analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. So our question is asking, in the third angle projection, the plan is usually placed where? So I'm going to be showing us a picture, and this will give us an understanding on how to carefully select our correct answer. So this is a third angle projection, and if you look at this, the plan is placed above the projection. The plan is placed above the elevation. So this is the plan. So going back to our question, in the third angle projection, the plan is usually placed above the elevation. As you can see here, it is above the elevation. So above the elevation is our correct answer. Let's check it out. Question 85, option D, above the elevation is our correct answer. This is how far we can go in this video. I hope we had fun. Our questions came by easy by analyzing the options. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates on more videos to come, and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.